As a business leader, you understand the importance of highly targeted employee training and growth initiatives to the long-term success of any organization. But you may not always know how best to go about it. That's where we come in. At InSync Training, we help companies like yours to improve training outcomes by designing, delivering, supporting, and managing corporate L&D initiatives. We have a proven record of excellence in working with organizations of all sizes, and we are a WeBank and WeConnect certified woman-owned small business. Looking to optimize your internal training functions performance? Our experts also guide practitioners to higher skill levels through engaging, accredited Train the Trainer certificate programs and workshops. Best of all, our programs are flexible. We support any virtual classroom platform and have multilingual facilitation and production teams that can deliver truly global training. Ready to get started? Visit insynctraining.com to learn more and download our program and services catalog now.